infants, elderly, their mother with infants, and the rest of the passengers. We have OMJ, soda, sandwiches, noodles, and hot drinks. Thank you.
Sa weather condition, ginagawa nyo pa kaming tanga. Sabi nyo, weather condition. Bakit may bagyo ba? Ginagawa nyo naman kaming tanga. Weather condition. Weather condition. Wala namang bagyo, no typhoon, no typhoon. Weather condition, fuck you! You make us crazy, you make us crazy. If you are crazy, we are not crazy.
You should ask the captain come out. They can do nothing. They are only small workers, yeah. What they can do. The captain is hiding behind the door, yeah. See.
Weather condition, pilot. That's no problem. Parang wala kang TV. Putang ina mo. Oo, pero siya ang kailangan mag-explain sa lahat.
I get my luggage. I go out.
Siguraduhin na hindi babalik ng Manila ito, ha? Make sure. Hindi tayo babalik ng Manila. I-report ko na lang ito. Hindi, mag-report na lang kami. Na-hijack tayo. Na-hijack tayo. We stay here for a lot of time.
Mas maganda para mapuntahan tayo dito lahat. Kasi pag tayo lang, mag-countdown lang po kayo para kasi lalo maano yung kapatid nyo. So, mag-countdown lang kasi lalo siyang mag-okay.
Gagawa ng paraan dito. Pabalik tayo ng Manila. O kaya walang ano, wala silang
Kailangan na ng air.
Ma'am, upo po muna tayo. Yung mga...
Relax po kayo. Okay? Makakauwi tayo lahat. Okay? Relax lang. Kayo lang lalo mahirapan. Okay? Relax. Relax.